I'd like to show you guys an insane amount of brand new marketing material that was just released. Well, actually, every week we're releasing new funnels and marketing materials, and it's built into the cost of $60 when you're an affiliate. This is not like, okay, this funnel is this, and for email, are they called swipes, whatever they're called? Here's a bunch of emails for $20, and here's this for $100. And okay, if you want to do this system, you got to do this to get that. Oh, and get out your wallet. Now, with Save Club, what I like about it is the people behind it, and even myself, I got pretty good experience right now. I know that if someone's going to sign up in an opportunity, I know within a week or so where they or you, even myself, is going to stall and not know what to do next, or how to upload this, or how to make a video. Okay? We at Save Club are going to do whatever it takes to not even have the consideration of you going uphill and getting stuck in snow going, "Arr." Okay, you're not going to be trying to run uphill and there's just like oil and Teflon everywhere where you just go up 20 feet and slide back 30. And then you go up 10 feet, slide back 20. Go up 80 feet and slide back 200 feet. Okay, that happens all the time in any business, if it's online or not. But when you get to an online business like this, where you know you need to come up with some cool things every day to post, you know you do. The more you post, the more opportunity. It's like going fishing. Do you want to go fishing every day? Or do you want to go fishing every day with 5 fishing poles? That's your boy here. I'm catching something. I am not going to go fishing and come back, well, they just weren't biting today. I'm going to find that damn fish, and whatever I have to do, I'm coming home. Even if I have to go to the supermarket and go buy 5 little fishies and hang them on my little pole and go, look what I caught today. And the fish have price tags on them. Okay? I want to make money. I want to have fun. Okay? But the only way to have fun and post every day is to know what you're doing and have a massive amount of marketing materials. All right, is it the palm of your hands? I guess so, because if you can log online on your cell phone or on your home computer with your, what are these called? Is that called a keyboard? If you have one of these or one of these, any city, any state, anywhere in the world, if you have internet access, you're in business. This isn't brick and mortar where you have to be on Main Street between 9 o'clock in the morning to, I don't know, let's say 9 at night. You don't have to be open 12 hours and hope that people come in your store and buy. With Save Club, you already know where you're going to go shopping, where you're going to go buying stuff. But if you can save money, you're like, okay, now we're talking. Okay, I can save money on glasses, hearing aids, Kiss t-shirts at Walmart. How about a Kiss lamp online on eBay? Can I get a mini fridge like that at Walmart? What else? God, I'm just looking at my walls and back in the reflection. Oh, I got some cups. Those little cups, I put them in all my vehicles so that my drinks stay hot or cold. Yeah, I think they have those for sale at Walmart because that's where I bought them. Do you like to travel? Do you like to listen to cool things on Sirius XM? Because you can save. Do you like to go to Lowe's or Home Depot here in America and build a patio? Or do you like car repair? Do you like to have brakes and tires? When you drive, do you have no brakes and you keep running into stuff and all your teeth are missing and your eyeball fell out because you have no brakes? You probably want some brakes. You probably want an oil change. How about half off? How would you like to buy 3 tires and get the 4th one free? All right, we're at Burt's Brothers here locally in Utah. Of course, we have the mighty discount tire. That's my favorite. I just saved a bunch of dough with those guys over Memorial Day weekend. Oh my gosh. I could literally go for hours and hours and hours and hours and not even hit 1% of the deals already inside the Save Club membership. Now, I always bring this up because it's just a matter of fact. The fact is that we're 24 days old. Today's June 24th. Is the entire world, city, state, country available in Save Club? No, not yet. Not yet. Not Groupon, Orbitz, Priceline, all these other massive save clubs. It takes a while to get the world inside your group so you can save. But is there an affiliate where you can get paid? Do you have to be a sports figure? Do you have to be famous? Do you have to be an influencer, maybe a Hollywood actor to get paid from other Save Clubs where they say, "Hi, I'm William Shatner. Yes, I'm from Star Trek and TJ Hooker, and here's a new company called Priceline. I'm Kim Kardashian. I'm Chloe. I don't know all the Kardashians. I just remember Bruce Jenner. But they make a pile of money by just talking about things or posting things on social media. In America, everybody knows those names I just mentioned, and we still don't know what they do to get famous. It's just that they've made billions by just posting about things. And good for them. Good for them. But good for you for watching this video, because you're probably wanting to save money. That's a no-brainer. Every time I say it, I feel like everyone watching this video is going, well, duh. Of course we want to save money. But how do I make money by doing that? How can I get paid like Kardashians and sports figures and famous people do? Because they always want someone that's kind of famous. That is it called the something lotus? Is it the blue lotus? Or there's a guy with a forehead like mine. He's got like the world's biggest receding hairline, but he's a famous actor and he's everywhere now, hawking every single product I can imagine. And good for him. He's bringing that receding hairline back. Is it the something lotus? Is it the blue lotus? You know what I'm saying? I think, isn't it on Netflix or something? But every time I'm online, I see this guy going, God, I've got the same hairline as that dude. And I'm like, right on. And he is representing everywhere. This guy's probably making millions a month because he has a famous, I think, is it a Netflix TV series but I'm not an actor. I'm pretty good at talking on camera, I guess, but that's as close as I'm going to get to being on a TV series on Netflix. I do have the big, giant receding hairline, though. Okay, so if you need that look, I'm your boy. Okay, but I would rather just sit here in my comfy little man cave. I'm in the beautiful state of Utah, right at the bottom of Mount Olympus. It's a warm summer day. I got a beautiful car show to produce at 5 o'clock at a senior citizen home. It's called Legacy in Taylorsville, Utah. And from 5 to 8, we have barbecue. We have ice cold drinks. We have awesome desserts. And we have tons of muscle cars and bikes and trucks. And we have all the seniors that live there. Okay, the average age is 65 to 95. And they come out and they look at the cars and they smell the barbecue. And I love to talk to them because some people are born in the 20s. Yes, the 30s. I've met last year a 97-year-old person and a 103-year-old lady. And I just sat and talked, and it was amazing. They were just as sharp as can be. Sure, their bodies were a little slower. But when you start talking to a 90-year-old, and especially a 103-year-old, she and he, they both told me the same thing. And they were in 2 different senior centers. They just said, don't piss away time. Don't focus on drama longer than you need to. And live in the present. And they're like just giving me advice for free because they've lived it. They did there and done that. And now they're in a nice home, good care. And I'm there hanging out with them with a bunch of muscle cars and beautiful sun and some awesome barbecue. And I'll be doing that at 5 o'clock tonight. But right now it's still in the morning, going on noon here in Utah. And I like to just talk about Save Club for, I like to put in about 1 to 2 hours. I just do videos, 3 or 4 of them. I upload them. By the time I record, I don't really edit. I just turn on these videos. And if I screw up, I keep it in. If I have a booger, my nose pops off, my eyeball, I don't know, rolls down my shoulder, in my hand, I don't care. If I lose track of what I'm talking about, the more real I can be with you folks, the more trusting, hopefully you are, of me. You can go to my Facebook page, see where I'm going, what I'm doing. I've had the same email address for almost 40 years. I help everybody, not just in my group in Save Club, but in other divisions or other people's groups, because most people that promote Save Club, they don't have a team. They don't have a group. And that's okay. If you signed up underneath someone that's just an individual, but you're never going to hear from them again, that's okay. I think you're going to do better in a group setting. You don't have to quit Save Club and rejoin. You just need to get a funnel system. And I can personally invite you to the 2 biggest groups in Save Club. It's invite only. We dominate the leaderboard. I'd say probably 85% of the leaderboard belongs to our 2 groups. There's that 2. Is that 4? How about that? Okay. How about this? That looks more rock and roll on my KISS t-shirt. We've got 2 pretty cool groups. And you can go in there 24 hours a day and ask questions and meet people worldwide if you'd like. Use the thousands of pictures, thousands of videos. We have all training on how to post, how to do a video like you're looking at right now. That's right. Get yourself a webcam, get your cell phone up, get yourself a YouTube account, or you can just go to YouTube and Google everything. You don't even really need my help at this point. How do I upload something to TikTok? How do I Instagram? How do I post an ad in Craigslist? I mean, you don't have to focus on what's the freshest and yummiest. Maybe a classified ad, maybe a business card, who knows? But you just need to post. And believe me, when people look at this opportunity and they're going to save money, they won't care about you or me. They're going to care about the Save Club, saveclub.com, username, password. This is how I save. You guys will figure it out. Print out the coupon or just show it on your cell phone. If you're at a restaurant, here's my code. Boom, boom, boom. 10% off. Half off. One dinner for the price of boom, boom, boom. How about 2 for 1? How about that? How about 3 tires and get the 4th one free? Thank you. That like freaked me out. I'm still like, wow. To save $900 my first 45 days. Guys, I saved $900. I've made thousands. And right now with my new funnel system, it's put in about $1,500 in my pocket, aside from Save Club. Everything I'm doing is simple. Everything I do is invite people to a link. Okay, I'm going to end my video now. I like to do these videos in about 15 minutes. So the last 3 minutes, let's just go ahead and look at my screen for a little bit, okay? Just go like this. I'll pretend that I see you. I see that one person over there in their underwear. Get dressed. Okay, here we go. Here's my little, I don't know if I call them my money machines. Do they print cash? They sure seem to. I bought these red cards here from Vista Print. And they're $22 for a big old box. I'll never run out of them. But what I do is I just put my link on and I put my email right here. And that's it. So on a street level, joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to join. People will go right here. They'll watch this video. They'll check out this little portion and fill it out. Hit that orange button. And then you're going to get an email. You can either get more information from Save Club or that Save Club email will show you exactly how to join. That's it. $60 affiliate, $20 to be a member, $80. Holy crap, guys. You even get 3 pennies back. $79.97. Now, how do you get to this page? There it is on your screen. Joinsaveclub.org. Just write that down right now if you have a little pen and a little piece of paper. Now, let me show you how I've been able to put about $1,500 in my pocket, aside from Save Club. It is by far the best and only funnel online. It dominates right now. SaveClubFunnels.com with an S. Go there. And what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like. Okay, let me go one more page back. Okay, this white rectangle, put in your email. I'm just going to put in mine, letsallrock@gmail.com. Hit this yellow button, and I want you to realize for $25, do you see this whole website? This is yours. It's called a funnel. You can change the boat picture if you want. You can make that yellow button purple if you want. I recommend don't twink it too much because it's working. Okay, put your email in, hit that yellow button. Now, this is my moneymaker. This video is 20 minutes and it over-explains Save Club. I don't have to do a video like this. You don't either. We have tons of videos already made. And if you can invite people to this page, you and millions of other people are going to watch this video. If you don't want to join Save Club, then you're out of there. Goodbye. If you want to join, hit that red button. If you're already in Save Club, hit this button here. $25. Okay, so let's hit it. And you can see we take Visa, American, Expressi, Discover an American, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Amex. Just hit that button, and then you're going to get a little setup video. It takes about 10 minutes. My buddy Mike tells you how to do it. And all you're going to do is just put the information from Save Club, the affiliate membership stuff, save it in your funnel, and that's it. And then you're going to do what I do. Just invite people to links. Every video I do, I have both of these now. I don't do just one because I know Save Club kicks ass just by itself. But if you're stuck or you want to put like some salt and pepper on that beautiful juicy steak, then look into the funnel. Okay? $25 for the funnel. To join Save Club as a member and affiliate is, well, basically $80. So for $105, holy crap, you've got one hell of an opportunity. All right. So anyway, thanks for the last 15 minutes of your life and my life. And if you're on my YouTube channel, go ahead and just hit my playlist and you'll see I got about 400 or 500 videos, just all made by yourself, by myself. Okay, I'm going to make another 500, and on top of that, another 1,000. The next 2, 3 years, I have no doubt I'll probably have 3, 4,000 videos about Save Club because I know it's going to get bigger and just more dynamic every week, not every month or year, because we're getting thousands of people signing up every day right now, but we have hardly any affiliates, and that's you. You can't call up Save Club. You can't join by calling an operator. You can only join by affiliates like myself in this KISS shirt. So please look into this. I'm very excited. If you've already joined, look at the funnel system. If you haven't joined, just join according to budget. It's up to you. We're going like a rocket right now, but you need to kind of like reach your hand out. I want to welcome you aboard this rocket ship, and let's haul some ass, okay? All right, guys, 15 minutes is up. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and email anytime. Seriously, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I get emails all the time, and it's fun to see what's on your guys' minds. And most of it is about how to market Save Club. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day. Inviting people to click a link, watch a short video, mission accomplished. All right, you guys have a kick-ass day. We'll talk to you soon.